He's your son?
Yes, he is my son, Samarth.
What's his name?
Samarth. Samarth. Samarth.
Samar. Hi, Samar.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Which grade? Which grade is he in?
Second year. Second.
Second. Okay, that's nice. Yes, I think it's his play time right now.
Yes.
That's nice. So you have a very good opportunity actually to communicate with your son as well. He will be learning a lot from you.
Yes. I daily basis speak with him, but actually, what is he refused to speak with me because he said, "Please speak with me in Marathi and Hindi only. I don't like English." But I say, "You are in English medium. Now I join Clapingo for only for you. It is not
Right.
okay. So if you
Yes.
learn English, so it will be good for you." So nowadays he little speak with me, and few things he also learn without teaching.
Yes.
So
Yes. Maybe.
I'm curious how he learned because I'm not teaching him.
Yes.
He tried teaching good in.
Yes. So you know what happens? They are very smart enough. Even if they pretend they're not listening, but they are very smart enough to grasp, and that's the quality the kids have. So let it play. Even if you're putting some nice short stories in the house on YouTube, let it play for him. Even if he's playing, let him listen. That's very important.
He listened to me, and that's why he grasping power is actually very high level. So he grasps uh, fastly, and he
Fast.
listened to me how
Fast.
to speak.
Yeah.
Yes, because I teach him stories, I narrate stories,
Very
explain
nice.
stories. Yes, and he read stories without any support.
Very nice. So you can also tell him to make his own stories. Like even you can do that. It's very nice activity as well to build up good
Yes,
sentences. You can try making your own sentences. So that helps a lot to have a proper thought structure, and story making is a talent. So if he learns at this age, definitely it will be very fruitful for him in future.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So that's good enough. Would you like to ask anything else? Because I think we'll be almost at the end of the session.
No, ma'am, I don't have any questions. I have only question you because most of the tutors are very busy. Your session not always reserved. So
I'm so sorry
miss
about
getting
that.
time from tutors is very busy. I
No, I'm
actually
so
missed
sorry
one
about
session.
that. Yeah.
It was actually my mistake. I put my phone on the flight mode and actually Clapingo maybe give me uh, session information, but actually my phone was on flight mode.
Okay.
So after that, when I started, that time I come to know that my session goes on.
Okay, yeah. So one session was not, it was missed by you.
Yes,
So
yes.
yes, that happens. It's okay. But of course, if the sessions are not available, you can always check at my timing. So I'm always available in the morning time, 8 to 11.
Actually, morning time is not available for me. It is
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not
So
free
that's what
morning.
happens.
And I thought I book your session in 9 p.m. Evening, but
Okay,
I'm not checking timing actually properly, and it was 9 a.m. So it was my mistake.
okay. That happens. Sometimes human errors happen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So
So what is the plan for the evening today before we end the session, today's session? But I would like to say, Sudhir, that you have drastically changed while speaking. There's a lot of change from the first session I met you at till now. There's a lot of improvement. Please keep doing that practice, whatever efforts you are putting there, because that is being shown in the way you are speaking. Just that you can start adding vocabulary now, add good words, and keep practicing. That's going to help you a lot. Good to
okay,
see
ma'am.
you again
Okay, ma'am.
then.
Thank
And I always like the background behind you. That's the open sky. So that's
you.
good. Okay. So you gone through the session notes?
Yes, I gone through, but instead of session note, I would like to speak about different topics
Yes. Why not?
because
Why not? So you want to choose
please,
a topic, or shall I choose any other topic? What do you want to?
please, you will choose the topic.
Okay, I will choose it. So
Okay.
I would just I just keep it very general conversation. Nothing about a specific topic. Just general conversation. Okay. So where would you like to stay if not here? Where you
Jalgaon,
Jalgaon.
Maharashtra.
Sorry, Jalgaon. Yes. So if not in Jalgaon, where would you like to stay?
If what if
If given a chance that you can move somewhere else permanently, then where would
somebody
you
else?
like to?
Okay. If I would like to live in Nasik or Pune,
Nasik or Pune? And why Nasik?
because Nasik is close to me. Means 2.5 hours we reach at Nasik, and Nasik also very big city and nice places over there.
Okay.
Panchvati like that. Corporation area is available there. Jobs
Okay.
opportunity more than that.
Mhm.
So I would like to choose Nasik.
Nasik. Okay. So that, or Pune, or you said Pune.
Yes, yes. Pune is the second list because Pune is very long distance from my village, and it takes almost 7 to 8 hours to reach Pune. So first of all, Nashik, and second Pune.
Pune. Okay, that's nice. So how many times you have been to Shirdi? Have you been to Shirdi?
Yes, I have been Shirdi 2 times.
I've been
When
to Shirdi.
I have been to Shirdi 2 times.
Okay, 2 times. Fine, fine. And how far is Shirdi from Jalgaon?
I think 230, 40 kilometers.
Oh, that's okay. That's long enough, actually.
Yes,
Fine.
yes.
So, yes, my next question would be to you is that how important is communication skill in one's life?
Communication skills is very important because you don't have communication skill. It means whatever knowledge you have, you do not share it because you don't have communication skills. And if you don't have a knowledge, but you have a knowledge of communication skills, so your growth will be more than that of the people. So communication skill play the most important role in our life. So it is very important if we want to work in a corporate area, means maybe a banking, maybe a educational area, maybe
Yeah.
any companies. So it's very important to learn communication skills. And I think today in the digital area, all the aspects will need communication skill
Right,
in
right,
each and into daily life also. So
right.
communication skill makes a very important role.
Mhm. It is very important, as you correctly said. It's very important. That's why it is a language which you speak with two. It is exchanged between two people or more than two people, and whatever it is, language, it can be English or any other language. So that has to be very strong enough, and also at the same time, the message has to come very clear. So sometimes the message is not clear. It's said because the communication skills or communication was not clear. So there was lack of communication, lack of misunderstanding, and that happens when there is less understanding about skills, communication skills, be it Hindi, be it Marathi, be it any other language, or English, or French, or any other language. It has to be very strong enough. Okay, so yes, the next question would be that do you have any fear in life?
Fear.
Yes.
Yes, I have a fear of public speaking. That's
Okay.
why I got late clapping. You know what? I actually told you in a previous session. My learning starting from 2018.
Yes.
That time, watch most of the videos cambly. That time, I think Clapingo was not available on internet. That time, cambly only one available on. I saw cambly's videos, but I don't have confidence to join a cambly because
Yes.
that's a fear. How to speak with them because they were very good, fluent speakers. And after
Yes.
that, clapping also came in a flow. And I saw also Clapingo videos, Clapingo tutors, and I come to know that Clapingo is our Indian accent,
Yes.
and it is very easy to speak with them. But lacking lack of confidence, and there was fear in my mind. So I means day after day I postpone my things,
Yes.
procrastinating things, all the things.
I kept procrastinating.
Procrastination.
Yes, I kept procrastinating.
Yes, yes. And
Yes.
now within a minute, I think I joined 7 few months ago. I joined Clapingo.
Okay. So this is your 14th session.
14, yes, 14th
Yes,
session.
this is the 14th session. Okay. So, but if you go to see that you are, if you have to say now that where do you stand right now for your communication skills, and that to overcome the fear, you're speaking with a lot of tutors on Clapingo. Where do you see yourself now?
Now, actually, my fear of speaking is removed slowly. Now I am speaking in front of the camera, and I upload also that
You can
videos.
also say, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but you can also say that my fear of speaking in public is fading away. Okay?
Is fading.
It's fading away, or it's becoming less.
Oh, okay, becoming less.
Yes.
And I also trying videos in front of the mobile because before that I was not able to speak in front of the mobile also, in front of the camera also. And
Okay.
at the time I thought like that if I upload the video,
Yes.
what people will think about me, what they will say to me, they will laugh at me, they will pass comments, different types of comments on my videos. So this lack of confidence and fear of public speaking. So nowadays I uploading my videos no matter what people commenting on my channel and say what
That's
they will
how it
speak.
should be. That's how it
Yeah,
should be,
because
So, yeah.
it's none of my business actually. Nowadays my only business is that to learn language and to overcome my fear and fulfill the all necessaries and check
Yes.
out the mistakes and correct that mistake.
Yes. So there will be, what Steve, there will be people who will be commenting out there negatively, but there are people who are actually looking up to you as well. So for them, if you're putting it, that's more than enough. You're at least touching few people's mind, because many people are having the lack of confidence, the lack of speaking in front of people, and they have that fear that how will I even open up my mouth? But that is not to be worried about. You just have to come and just practice at least speaking a little bit. Try at least with a sentence, and you will see after few sessions and after talking for a while that you will start seeing the changes in your own self.
Yes, sir.
So that confidence builds up. So there are people who are actually looking up to you, so you don't need to worry. So that's good if you're doing so. You see that you have drastically changed while speaking. There's a lot of change from the first session I met you at till now. There's a lot of improvement. Please keep doing that practice, whatever efforts you are putting there, because that is being shown in the way you are speaking. Just that you can start adding vocabulary now, add good words, and keep practicing. That's going to help you a lot.